Wow, Doc, I think SolidWorks really was that popular.
Yes, over nearly 6,000 people, all in my lab. I didn't know we had the square footage for that.
It's a little bit like a TARDIS, you know, the Doctor?
Who?
Oh, never mind.
You know, I want to remember this, Marty, so quick, take a photo so we have proof, just in case we mess up the time again.
I'm on it, Doc, I'm on it. Carry on.
You know, being able to travel in time, you get to see some amazing designs like this hoverboard. Now I want to add a mean-looking sawtooth to the edge of the base body. So we can use a couple of great tools in SolidWorks 2013 to take advantage of that. And normally when using surfaces, you can only take material away. That's a thing of the past in 2013. Using the surface intersect tool, not only can you remove material, but add material at the same time as well. So not just cutting out the scallops, but also extending the board material to make the ends of those teeth. Just pick the body regions you don't want to keep, and you're good to go.
That is pretty cool, Doc. Really going to save a lot of time finishing up design shapes.
Right, but there are other cool tools we can use to help out as well. Let's take a look at those engines. Maybe we want to try a different fin vane design. What I really love is that thin extrude now supports multiple contours. So with just one click on the sketch, I'm good to go. But you know what? Something else in 2013 they added was the ability to directly enter equations in any property manager. So, for example, I can tie the web thickness to the height of the vane.
But what does this mean for the design?
Well, as I adjust the vane height, the thickness is going to update automatically. It really does give you incredible flexibility.
That's great, Doc. I really like the look of this so far.
Yep, but I know how you like fancy designs. So how about for some added flair, let's pattern these fins. Now it'd be pretty boring to use the same size, so in SolidWorks 2013 you can vary pattern instances just by selecting the dimensions you want to change. So we can add as many parameters as we want. Let's change the width of the vane, the angle, and how about the depth? Okay, once we've got those selected, we just punch in new values to increment the dimensions. So now with each instance, the width, depth, and angle are all going to increase. And just like magic, we have a nice improved design of our engine.
Wow, Doc, there's some pretty powerful tools. And that final design, it's awesome.
Yeah, I can't wait to take that one out for a spin.
You know what, Doc? The increased integration and ease of use of these products is pretty amazing. You know, in Enterprise PDF 2013, for example, now, when you hover over Document Owner, you get more detailed information about them. You can see their status, contact information, you can even email or chat to them.
Couldn't you pick a better picture, like one where I've done my hair?
You know what? You can also check in or check out documents from right inside the draft site. So it truly is integrated into the design process. But take a look at this. I can select this geometry here for this footpad. You know, just box select it, and then if we use the copy command and switch over to SolidWorks, we can take all of that copied geometry and just paste it straight into a new sketch. And faster than your Prius time machine, we have a new footpad feature on the board.
Yeah, well, I don't know about being faster than time and space, but that is pretty quick, and I love the reuse of data.
You know, I do have to say, this hoverboard does look pretty cool. You know, I'd really like to have some of those engines on my hoverboard. But the only problem is, I've got SolidWorks 2012 SP5 on this laptop, and I didn't have time to upgrade to 2013.
Marty, you don't need to worry. You can open 2013 files in 2012 as long as you're running SP5. Even though they're frozen, you can insert them into assemblies, and things like components, and use the geometry to build a component or a machine around someone else's 2013 model. And what's even better, you even have access to all the different configurations of those future parts and assemblies.
Yeah, right, well, what's going to happen if we update and make changes? It's really going to update?
Oh, not a problem. Let's take a look. All right, let's just save the model, then we'll close it down and switch over to 2013. Now, let's take this engine, for example, and we take advantage of that fancier fin style I made. Then all we have to do is update it, save it, and then when we switch back over to 2012, we should see everything.
No, hang on. You're telling me that when I open this model again, it's going to be updated?
Absolutely, it's not a problem. Take a look.
That is pretty cool. But once I upgrade to 2013, have it have all those features?
No. When you go back to 2013 and open it, all of those features, appearances, and everything else are going to appear just like magic.
Hang on. You're telling me that in SolidWorks 2013, time travel is possible?
Marty, in SolidWorks 2013, the developers really did go back to the feature.
They certainly did, Doc. You know what? Thanks to this time machine, we'd have to wait till later this year to get SolidWorks 2013, like everyone else.
Well, I think there's time for just one last experiment in fluid dynamics at the bar.
Yeah, there's nothing like time travel to work up a thirst.
Indeed.
We sure did, Marty. By going back into the past and preserving the future, we've ensured another great feature suite from SolidWorks.
And I got to this guy ahead of a laptop.
Good day, Mr. McFly. Good day, Dr. Brown. Good night, Liz.